Hello beautiful people, welcome back to Andre Craft Show. Today's video I will share with you how to make this very cute mini pouch. It's very easy to make. I'm just gonna show you how this will work. It's perfect if you have children party and you have small souvenirs, so you can make a mini pouch. So to start, you're gonna need all these materials and tools. I pick up the green color yarn and of course add the white one, and that's it. Let's start. I'm gonna start with a slip knot and chain as my foundation, and here I'm using 3mm hook size. I will make 21 chains. So slip knot and chain 21. Then once you have that, insert your hook in the third chain with a double crochet. Continue doing a double crochet until you have a total of 18 double crochets. Fast forward, now this is my 17th double crochet and I will make the 18th double crochet. Once you have a total of 18 double crochet, there should be one chain left. So in here we will make 3 double crochets in the same stitch. So to make the base of our mini pouch, we will be working on this side now. Make a total of 17 double crochets. That's 1, 2, 3. Continue making a double crochets until you have a total of 17 double crochets. Let me count this one. So I already have 16 double crochets, so let me just make one more to make it 17. So I have one stitch left in here. Add or make 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Insert your hook in the first double crochet. At this point we will be working in rounds, so slip stitch. A little tips: do not chain, do not use any chains. In a project like this, I always use a stock single crochet, so this is how you do it. So that's it. That's how you do your stock single crochet. Put a stitch mark just in case, so you don't mistakenly add another double crochet. So that stock single crochet is counted as one double crochet, so just continue making a double crochets. At this round and the rest of the rounds, you should have a total of 40 double crochets. I suggest you should count each double crochets in this round until round 4. This is the crucial rounds, by the way. I say it crucial rounds because we are still forming the base of our mini pouch. So I'm close to ending the second round. The reason why I want you to count and I want you to put in markers because this stitch here is not included. That's connected with the stock single crochet. So bear in mind, please count your double crochets so you don't mistakenly increase your double crochets. So again, I will show you how to make a stock single crochet. After you slip stitch, insert your hook in the same stitch and make a single crochet and then another single crochet on top of that single crochet. Don't forget to put the marker. So in the third round to 12 rounds, they all have the same counts of double crochet, which is 40. Let me show you my previous mini pouch, how many rounds I made. So I have a total of 12 rounds, including the base. So you can add more rounds if you wish. So let me count this. I have 12 rounds, so let me just finish this one. So you can cut your yarn after making 12 rounds and wave. Now it's time to make this 2 drawstring, or you can use a simple ribbon. Just slip knot and make 70 chains. Make sure you have enough length of extra yarn there for later. Fast forward, I have here 2 drawstrings and my pouch. Let's set aside this one for now and let's proceed to making these very cute flowers. So in here you can play with the colors. Either you can use the blue as your petals or vice versa. To start, using the first color, make a magic ring and make 5 single crochet. Insert your hook in the first single crochet, then change it in the second color. Since I pick up the green yarn for this video, so I will be using the green color as my petals. So you slip stitch it with the green or the second color of your choice. Right away chain 2 and then double crochet in the same stitch, 3 double crochet in the same stitch. After you have 3 double crochet in the same stitch, chain 2 and slip stitch in the next stitch. So basically in one stitch you have chain 2, 3 double crochet, then chain 2. So here I have the first chain 2, then I will make 3 more double crochet in the same stitch, and then once I finish 2 chain, I will slip stitch in the next stitch. So do that until you have 5 petals in total. Let me just cut this extra yarn here to finish the project. Actually, you're gonna need to make 4 flowers, 4 pieces of these flowers, since we're gonna need 2 flowers in each side. So it's time to assemble. Let me show you how I will insert this drawstring. So I will insert my drawstring in the 3rd round from the last round of our mini pouch. And that's it. Don't forget to test your drawstring because sometimes it will get stuck. That's why I mentioned earlier you should have left enough length to tie these ends here. So this is how it goes. We will be sandwiching this drawstring with our 2 flowers, just like this. You can use a glue gun or you can sew. On this tutorial, I will be using a glue gun, but most of my mini pouch, I sew the edges. I would prefer the sewing, because sometimes a glue gun is not working well for me. So we're done on this side, so do the other side. And that's pretty much it. You have now your cutest DIY mini pouch. I hope you like this video and you're having fun. Let me know in the comment box if you have something in mind that you want me to work or do a tutorial. God bless us all, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!